In this video, we will take you through the installation process for Sono. Sono can be used with both Mac and Windows machines, and unless specified, the different applications will work in exactly the same way. Firstly, download the latest version of the Sono software from our website. Head to audient.com/sono/downloads and then select either the Mac or the Windows download from the options, depending on the machine you're using. Once downloaded, open the file to start the installer and follow the process through. This will install the 2Notes Torpedo remote software used to edit the cab simulation on Sono, along with the Sono Mixer app, which is used for accessing some of the more advanced features on Sono, such as digital input settings and advanced routing. Once everything's installed, connect Sono to the computer's USB port using either the included USB-C or USB-A to C cable. Then plug Sono into the wall power socket and switch it on using the power switch. Now that Sono's connected, you can select it as the sound device on your computer, letting you record audio in and also play audio back. This is also the way to check whether your computer is actually detecting Sono or not. On a Mac, go to System Preferences, then the Sound menu, and then make sure that Sono is selected as the input and output device. On Windows, go to Control Panel, then Hardware and Sound, and then Sound. And then you can make Sono the default device by pressing Set Default in both the Playback and Recording device tabs. You should now notice that if you play something out of your computer, making sure that the monitor mix knob on the unit is at least part of the way towards the door, that it should come out of your speakers or headphones. To get sound in and out of any specific audio software you want to use, you will likely have to select Sono as the sound device in that application separately. Details on how to do this will be in your audio software manual, or you could probably search for it in the help menu. To ensure that Sono's internal firmware is up to date, it's worth checking to see if there is a firmware update available. So open the freshly installed Sono Mixer app from your application menu. On a Mac, you'll then notice an S icon appear in the menu bar on the top right, and on Windows, you'll notice the same S icon appear in the system tray in the bottom right. On either system, click the S icon and then select the option Check for Updates. If there is an update available, it will prompt you to update, and so just follow the process through, making sure that you reboot Sono afterwards by turning it off and back on again using the power switch. If you did want to take advantage of the more advanced routing and audio interface features of Sono, then the Sono Mixer app is what you want to use. Just click on the S icon and then select Show Mixer, and it'll open up the Mixer app, allowing you extra control. For more information on how to actually use this software, please watch our software overview video or check out the manual. So Sono comes with 20 free cabs from 2Notes, but you will need to use the 2Notes Torpedo remote application to store them on Sono or edit your existing sounds. So open the app from your application menu, which will be found within the 2Notes Audio Engineering folder. When opening the application for the first time, you'll be prompted to sign into your 2Notes account. If you already have one, then sign in here. Otherwise, enter the email and password you wish to use and click Sign Up. You will then have to enter a small amount of information to set up your account. Once that's all done, 2Notes will send you a verification link via email. So open this email and click on this link to verify your account. Once this has been done, go back to the Mixer and click Next. You should then be logged in and you'll be moved on to the next window. Once you've signed into your account, Sono will appear in your device rack. Simply click on it to open the remote window. If this is your first time using Sono, you'll have to register the unit to your account. Simply click Register and then confirm ownership of Sono. When this is done, the 20 included cabs will be added to your 2Notes account, ready to be used with Sono. And that's it, you're now ready to use Sono. For more information on how to use any of the software, or to have a look over some of the hardware features of the unit, please check out some of our other videos, or download and read the user manual from our website.